Are you looking to spruce up your home without breaking the bank? With these tips for spending smartly and stylishly, you can transform your space on a budget. First, consider DIY projects to add a personal touch to your decor. From painting old furniture to creating your own artwork, DIY projects are a cost-effective way to update your home. Next, shop for second-hand items at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces. You can find unique pieces at a fraction of the cost compared to buying brand new furniture. Another tip is to prioritize high-impact areas such as the living room or bedroom when decorating. By focusing on key areas, you can make a big impact without overspending on every room in your home. Additionally, consider using inexpensive alternatives such as peel and stick wallpaper, removable decals, or temporary flooring to update your space without committing to a major renovation. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a fresh coat of paint. By painting walls or furniture, you can instantly refresh your home's look without spending a lot of money. With these tips for spending smartly and stylishly, you can achieve a beautifully decorated home on a budget. Get creative, think outside the box, and enjoy transforming your space without breaking the bank.